This is as high fidelity as you can get to, I mean, this really is the king of simulators, if you like. It doesn't get any better than this. Anything we can do here in the simulator means that we don't actually have to cut metal, or when we do come around to cutting metal and building the ship and building the landing aids and things for the ship, hopefully we'll get it right the first time and save a lot of money rather than having to go to flight trials and find that it was all wrong.
Steve, you're 1 mile away from the carrier now.
What you see here are fully representative models of the aircraft and the ship. That allows us to simulate how the ship will roll and pitch in heavy sea states or calm conditions, and equally how the aircraft will operate in crosswinds or headwinds or tailwinds. We are making tweaks. We continue to optimise the design so that we can ensure that the carrier is correctly configured for the aircraft and vice versa.
All the guys that go out to sea will have seen just about everything they need to have seen beforehand in the simulator. They will have seen all the failure cases. They will have flown the airplane at night in the simulator. They will have had, nominal damage to the airplane not behaving itself terribly well, and they will have seen all those kind of worst case doom and gloom scenarios here in the sim, or in a sim just very much like this, so that if God forbid the worst should happen someday, they'll be very well prepared. They did a study back in Vietnam when they had heart rate monitors on pilots landing on ships or flying strike missions into Vietnam, and they found that pilots, naval aviators' heart rate was highest, not when they're over Vietnam getting shot at by surface-to-air missiles, but their heart rate was highest on the night landing back at the ship. So I think that's a pretty strong data point that it can be pretty damn scary, really. So I've now lined up on the back of the ship at about 0.7 of a mile. I'm online, I'm a little bit high. I'm flying in, I'm trying to pick up this sequence of lights on the left-hand side. Some pilots call it the meatball, but there's 2 green lights and then a yellow ball in between them. So that tells me where I am relative to the glide path. So I'm just trying to get those all in a line. Check the hooks down, got the wheels down. I'll be talking to the LSO at this point. And now I'm just trying to fly down so I hit the wires. I go to full power to assume that I've missed the wires, but looks like I got lucky today.